The first thing we need to do is go to turtleacademy.com and we're going to sign in with our Google account. I'm going to click on sign up, and if you scroll down a little bit you'll see that you can sign in with your Google account. I'm going to click once on Google. Because I have already registered, I don't have to follow the next prompt, and you can see I'm already signed in. You, however, will need to register. Once you've registered, there is sometimes a little glitch. Make sure that you can see your username here at the top, and if you can't, then sign in again. We're now going to click on Lessons, and you'll now see that it's quite self-explanatory. The first thing it says is hello, I am Logo, and you're actually this little turtle over here, and you can control this turtle. What it now says is it now would like you to go forward, and it'd like you to go forward 50. So in your type your code over here, I'm going to type in forward 50, and I'm going to click on run. Because this is the first thing we've now done, you've won a little badge. But more importantly, we've made our turtle move 50 forward. That is now the first basic code of Logo that we have learned. We are now going to record all the different commands so that will make our lives a little bit easier later on. I have opened up the Logo Lesson 1 worksheet. The name of the command was forward. The command that we typed was forward 50, but you might find later on that there's a shortcut which we might want to add to this code later on. And then what does it do? Well, it moves the turtle forward the amount that we specify. Every time we find a new command, for example, now we're going to turn left and turn right. So the name of the command is going to be turn left or turn right. But just before I start this, let's have a look at what it actually means. We can now see, back in Turtle Academy, that our second step is to make the turtle turn left or right, and if we go further down, it says we need to turn right 90 degrees. So in the box where it says type your code over here, I'm going to type in right 90 degrees, and I'm going to click on run. If at any point you get a little bit stuck, you can click on hint, and if I click on hint, it will then tell me what the little hint is, and if I click on solution, it will give me the solution. For now, however, I'm happy with right 90, and I'm going to click on run. And you can see that it turned to the right 90 degrees. Back in our commands, we are going to type in name of the command, right. The code for that is right with the number behind it, and it is whatever number is the amount of degrees that we are going to turn right, and that's what it does. And I've done the same for left. At the end of every lesson, take a screenshot by pressing print screen on your keyboard. Go back to your worksheet, scroll further down, and under screenshots I'm going to say end of lesson 1, and I'm now going to paste that screenshot. You might want to crop the image and just selecting the image that you would like to have, and perhaps you'd like to make it slightly bigger so that you can see it. You will notice that there are 12 lessons all in all, and the lessons in the beginning may be really quite simple, so you might want to skip some of the lessons or just read through them so you can get to the end so that we can make our own project. There is also a section at the top called Playground. Once you've clicked on the playground, what you have is a little area that you can choose whatever you'd like it to do. This would obviously be a great place to try any of the new codes that you have learned to see what it will do.